How the lathe machine revolutionized craftsmanship. Imagine a world where precision is a mere dream, a world without the mechanical marvels that shape our everyday lives. The absence of precise tools would leave our ambitions unfulfilled, our innovation stalled, and our future uncertain. Welcome to the fascinating journey of the lathe machine, a pivotal invention that transformed industrial history. This remarkable tool has been instrumental in advancing technology, enabling precise crafting and manufacturing, and setting the stage for modern engineering achievements. The lathe's origins trace back to ancient Egypt, where rudimentary versions were used for crafting. Over centuries, these early machines evolved, becoming more sophisticated and essential in various industries, marking a significant milestone in technological progress. From manual hand-crank devices to powered machinery, the lathe's evolution reflects a transformative journey. This shift revolutionized production processes, increased efficiency, and laid the groundwork for the mass production capabilities that we often take for granted today. Among the key innovators in lathe development, Henry Maudslay stands out. His contributions to precision engineering fundamentally changed manufacturing, setting new standards for accuracy and quality that propelled industrial advancements and inspired future generations of engineers and inventors. The lathe played a pivotal role during the Industrial Revolution, becoming a cornerstone of manufacturing. It enabled mass production with precision, transforming industries and economies worldwide. Its ability to produce uniform parts revolutionized manufacturing processes, setting the stage for modern industrialization. The simple yet effective mechanics of the lathe lie in its rotating workpiece, allowing for intricate shaping and cutting. This ingenious design combines precision and versatility, making it an essential tool in various manufacturing sectors. Its straightforward mechanism belies its profound impact. Adaptable and efficient, the lathe can shape, cut, and design materials with unparalleled precision. Its versatility spans numerous industries, from automotive to aerospace, showcasing its capacity to meet diverse manufacturing needs with consistent accuracy and efficiency. This adaptability underscores its industrial significance. From its early manual versions to today's advanced models, the lathe has seen remarkable technological advancements. Innovations like CNC technology have enhanced its precision and efficiency, ensuring the lathe remains a critical tool in contemporary manufacturing and engineering, continually pushing technological boundaries. The lathe's influence on global industrialization is profound, driving economic growth and technological progress. It facilitated the standardization of parts, enabling global trade and production. Its role in advancing industrial capabilities has left an indelible mark on the world's industrial landscape. In modern engineering, the lathe remains indispensable, shaping components for machinery and devices across various industries. Its precision and versatility allow engineers to create intricate designs, contributing to advancements in aerospace, automotive, and medical technologies, enhancing both functionality and innovation. The lathe's educational role is profound, serving as a fundamental tool in engineering curricula worldwide. Students gain hands-on experience in precision machining, understanding material properties and mechanical principles, laying a strong foundation for future innovation and technical proficiency in their careers. Economically, the lathe has spurred growth and job creation, underpinning the manufacturing sector. By enabling mass production and reducing costs, it has expanded market reach for businesses, driving economic development and providing employment opportunities in diverse industrial sectors globally. Craftsmen and engineers share inspiring stories of how lathes have transformed their work, allowing them to achieve unparalleled precision and creativity. These personal narratives highlight the machine's impact on individual careers, fostering a deep appreciation for its role in craftsmanship. Modern lathes contribute significantly to sustainable manufacturing by optimizing material use and minimizing waste. Their efficiency and precision reduce environmental impact, aligning with global sustainability goals and supporting industries in adopting eco-friendly practices, ultimately promoting a greener future. The lathe serves as a catalyst for innovation, sparking creativity across various industries. By enabling precise shaping and cutting, it has paved the way for advancements in automotive, aerospace, and medical fields, transforming ideas into tangible, functional objects with ease. Reflecting on challenges overcome, the lathe stands as a testament to human ingenuity. From manual manipulation to computer-controlled precision, it has adapted and evolved, addressing the ever-changing demands of industrial progress and overcoming limitations to enhance productivity. Beyond its mechanical utility, the lathe holds cultural significance through its influence on craftsmanship. It has been instrumental in preserving traditional skills while simultaneously advancing modern techniques, bridging the gap between time-honored artistry and contemporary manufacturing practices. Looking ahead, the future of lathe technology is poised for exciting developments. Advances in automation and smart technology promise increased efficiency and versatility, positioning the lathe as a central player in the next era of industrial innovation and sustainable practices. When compared to other shaping tools, the lathe consistently demonstrates superior efficiency and versatility. Its ability to perform intricate tasks with precision makes it indispensable, setting a benchmark for performance that other tools strive to match in various manufacturing processes. Lathes captivate DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists with their ability to transform raw materials into intricate designs. These machines empower individuals to craft personalized projects, from furniture to decorative pieces, enabling creativity to flourish in home workshops across the globe. The evolution of lathe safety measures has significantly reduced risks, ensuring safer operation. Modern lathes feature advanced technologies like automatic shut-off and protective guards, prioritizing user safety and fostering a secure environment for both amateur and professional operators. Customization is at the heart of modern manufacturing, and lathes play a pivotal role. They allow for precise alterations and bespoke designs, catering to diverse customer needs. This level of flexibility has become essential in today's competitive market landscape. Lathes have unlocked a realm of artistic possibilities, allowing sculptors and designers to create intricate, detailed works. These machines enable the transformation of visions into tangible art, merging technology with creativity to produce masterpieces that captivate and inspire. Current market trends show a surge in demand for innovative lathe technologies. With advancements in automation and precision, industries are investing in cutting-edge equipment to enhance productivity. This shift is driving competition and fostering continuous innovation within the manufacturing sector. Leading the world in lathe manufacturing are countries like Germany, Japan, and the United States, where precision engineering meets innovation. Companies such as DMG Mori, Haas Automation, and Mazak continuously push the boundaries, setting benchmarks in quality and technological advancement. The skills required for operating a lathe extend beyond technical know-how, demanding precision, creativity, and problem-solving. Training programs, apprenticeships, and certifications ensure operators are well equipped to navigate the complexities and contribute effectively to modern manufacturing environments. Lathes profoundly impact local communities and small businesses by enabling custom manufacturing and fostering entrepreneurship. They empower artisans, boost local economies, and provide opportunities for small-scale industries to compete globally by offering unique, tailored solutions with high precision. Reflecting on the lathe's journey, it remains an indispensable tool driving innovation and efficiency across industries. Its evolution mirrors human ingenuity, continually shaping our world with precision and creativity, ensuring that it stays vital to technological and industrial progress. Join us in exploring more engineering marvels and share your experiences with the lathe. Engage in conversations about its impact and future, and subscribe to stay informed about the ongoing advancements that continue to redefine manufacturing and engineering.